the fuck?
But
Bro, what the hell?
The spider was in there, and I think it saw me, so I got scared.
dude, I feel all romantical. I'm gonna romance the spider. Got a rose. I'm gonna
What
romance
the
the
hell is
spider.
that sound?
I don't know.
I heard that in the when we did Peter, but I thought it was the robots. But when I went outside, there it wasn't robots. It's getting closer.
That's always a good sign.
What the fuck is that sound?
Do you think I can romance it? I'm gonna romance it.
Hey, Red. The fuck?
What?
Nope, I'm out. Fuck this. I'm going back to the ship.
What?
Did you not get that? Did you
No.
not get the spooky screen?
No. What the hell? World?
I don't know what's happening. I'm terrified.
What?
Is he here? Did he leave or is he in here?
He's dead. Dingus is dead. Undeafen. Oh, he went near the spider.
No, the spider's dead too. The spider was dead. I was trying to pick it up, and something killed me from behind.
Daddy?
No, because his
I don't
body's
know,
still
but-
here.
Oh, by the way, be careful. The rose damages you
Yeah, I'm
when
leaving.
you
I'm
switch it.
leaving.